Scientists have created the Big Impact Theory, which is how the moon was created. It is said that an object collided with Earth, creating debris to form a molten rock 4.5 billion years ago. This rock, over time, has created a hard, crystallized state, making the lunar crust. The moon's orbit relative to Earth is roughly 384,400 kilometers. Its diameter is 3,476 kilometers, and its mass is 73,490,000,000,000,000 kilograms. The moon's crust and surface is made of oxygen, aluminum, magnesium, and silicon. Every year, the moon moves 1.6 inches away from our Earth. Eventually, scientists predict that it will leave our gravitational pull, and it will cause catastrophic events on our Earth. The moon was first visited by USSR's Luna 1 and Luna 2 in 1959, followed by a number of US and Soviet robotic spacecrafts. The first human landing was 1969 by the Apollo 11 team, and Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. Scientists today have been studying the orbits and its relationship to other planets. Neil Armstrong and the rest of the Apollo 11 team helped be the first man to step on the moon. NASA, even today, is collecting data about our universe. Tides are created because the Earth and the moon are attracted to each other, just like magnets are attracted to each other. The moon tries to pull at everything on the Earth to bring it closer, but the Earth is able to hold on to everything except the water. Since the water is always moving, the Earth cannot hold on to it, and the moon is able to pull at it. Each day there are two tides, high tide and low tide. The ocean is constantly moving from high tide to low tide, and then back to high tide. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon gets between the Earth and the sun, and the moon casts a shadow over Earth. A solar eclipse can only take place at the phase of a new moon, when the moon passes directly between the sun and the Earth, and its shadows fall upon the Earth's surface. Earth's only natural satellite is simply called the moon, because people didn't know any other moon existed until Galileo discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter in 1610. Other moons in our solar system are given names so they won't be confused with each other. We call them moons because, like our own, they are natural satellites orbiting a solar system body. If you were wondering, then here's the answer. The moon shines because it's according to the sun's orbit. The sun is reflecting off the moon, creating the reflecting light. Therefore, on a full moon, the sun is lined up exactly with the moon, revealing the moon's entire body. One major question scientists are still pondering is, will humans be able to maintain life on the moon? Thank you, and I hope you know more about the moon than you did 12 slides ago.